I'm off on a little adventure. Currently at the Holiday Inn Express Terminal 4 at London Heathrow, room number 691. And this is my room. So I'm staying here overnight before I fly out to Las Vegas tomorrow. And there's a view. So, what can we see? We see the massive door deck plane from Australia. Qantas. Wow, look at this one just landing as well. That's the Singapore door decker. Wow, look at that beast. And if we just, and you can't hear it either, I must admit, the soundproofing is lovely. And look at that. Wow. There we go. Concorde, still here. Still in London. Don't know much know anything about planes really, apart from they've got two wings and they take off, hopefully, and land. But there's a Gulf, a Qatar, a Virgin, an El Al, which is Israel, I think. Loads of BA over there. And a few more Virgins. Turkish, say Qantas. There we go. That's the start of the adventure. Weather looks a bit grim. Let's hope it's a bit better where I'm off to. See you later. So, here we are, Terminal 3, for the adventure. Let's go. This is the check-in area where I had to just pop in to show my passport. All done. Now we carry on to the departures. Here we are, Terminal 3, arrival and departures area. Here we are, outside the Qantas lounge, which we're just about to go in. It's time for my BA. So let's say g'day, mate. And here we are, Qantas business lounge. So have a look. So we are now leaving the Qantas lounge. And this is the downstairs of the Qantas lounge. So it's more just of a bar snack kind of place. Maybe more a la carte as well. Anyway, we're gonna head somewhere else now. So let's maybe go and have a look at the American Airlines, see if we can get in there. What's the worst that can happen? They can only say no. So we'll see. Now it says by invitation only, so let's see if I've got an invite. I might have, because they're one world. We'll see. They can say yes or no. So here's the American airline. So you might not be able to because it's first class. So we'll pop in, we'll say hello, see what they say. If not. So yeah, I've got into the American lounge. Let's see what's on offer. It's quite nice and bright. A few more people in here than the BA. So, where should we sit? Just see? That'll do. So this is the American Airlines lounge. Food is over there. That's some mashed potatoes. No gravy though, unfortunately. And then we've got beer, soft drinks, teas, coffee, whatever you want. And then over here you've got the views of the planes. So that was the American Airlines lounge, and we're now going to go and try and find the British Airways, which I think is this way. We don't want any duty free, so carry on this way anyway. I believe we're going from gate 28, just 10 minutes away according to that. Let's just find the British Airways lounge. I'll find the British Airways lounge, here we go. So this is lounge F. There we go. It's open until 2200. Hopefully we won't be here that late. So as you see, it's first and club lounges. I suspect this will be a lot busier than the previous two lounges I've been to. Again, it's by invitation only. Let's hope we've got an invite. So, let's see how we get on. So, here's the BA lounge. I've been in there before. 1700 our flight is. So, a lot busier. So we'll get a kind of 0 and a glass, and we'll carry on, see what food there is. So you see it's a lot busier. Won't be eating any of that. Ooh, but they do have mash. So we'll carry on walking. See, it's a lot busier here. And there's the view. Just carry on walking. Is there any seats? That's another question. Let's hope there is. Otherwise, standing up. I'm normally standing up. So last time I came, there were seats around here. Have a look. See, oh, there's no seats at all. It's good. I need a flight to take off. We're off to gate 24. There you go, 1700 Las Vegas. Gate 24. It's this way. Let's rock and roll, baby. It's an envelope. And here we go. So, this is me. Very nice, cosy, bijou. Put that down there. And my bag goes up there. So this is business class on the flight. This is me. Go.
Shall I go? Thank you very much.
Business class. So, not a big fan of champers, but needs must. So this is where I was. Took on my pillow, my bedding, and got a mini kit here, which is from the White Company. So, what have we got? Well, can't get in. So, I have to get rid of that first. So, be back in a moment. Got my phone. Like that. Got my water. Got my headphones. Got my champagne. and entertainment, pillow, sleeping stuff. Well, got everything you need. That's for whatever. And see you later.